Feeling overwhelmed trying to move money between your US bank accounts? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to transfer money from your savings to your checking account at US Bank using online banking, the mobile app, and even in person. Let's dive in. First, let's tackle online banking. Head to usbank.com and log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, look for the Transfer tab, usually located at the top of the page. Click on it to access the transfer options. Now, you'll see a transfer form in the From Account drop-down. Select your savings account in the To Account drop-down. Choose your checking account, then enter the amount of money you want to transfer in the Amount field. You can also schedule the transfer for a future date or set up recurring transfers if needed. Just select the date you'd like the transfer to occur. Double-check all the details to make sure everything is correct, and then click Submit or Confirm Transfer. You should receive a confirmation message once the transfer is complete. Now, let's move on to the mobile app. Open the US Bank mobile app on your phone and log in using your credentials or biometric authentication. On the dashboard, look for the transfer icon, which is typically located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to begin a transfer. The transfer form will look similar to the one on the website. Select your savings account as the From account, your checking account as the To account, and enter the desired transfer amount. Review the information carefully and tap Transfer or Confirm to finalize the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message. Finally, for in-person transfers, simply visit your local US Bank branch. A teller can assist you with transferring funds between your accounts. Remember to bring your ID for verification. And that's it. You've now successfully transferred money between your savings and checking accounts at US Bank using online banking, the mobile app, and in person. Managing your money has never been easier.